Hello guys, welcome to Shanghai.com. Today we'll be talking about our drop wire clamp S-style. The clamp is made up of stainless steel rod and a UV resistant plastic. It comes in colors of black, white and gray. Botcom drop wire clamp has a competitive price, easy to install with no additional tools needed, and due to the design of the clamp, it's easy to pull out the optical fiber from the cable with no damages at all. There are two ways to install. Firstly, you split open the drop cable. With one half of the splitted cable, begin to coil the cable around the clamp in S manner. This helps to hold the cable firmly on the clamp. After coiling the cable on the clamp, hang the clamp on the J-hook. Secondly, the clamp can be used to hook two cables together as seen in the video by coiling one cable on the stainless steel rod of the clamp and the other cable on the UV resistant plastic of the same clamp, and the clamp serves as a bridge between these two cables. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video, and also return to our channel for more useful tips. Have a nice day. Bye bye.